Hi all, welcome to Trika Souls. So today let's see what signs you will get before your wish will come into reality or before your wish will manifest. What are the signs that you will be seeing before your wish will be manifested? Okay, first of all, I feel a lot of you will be seeing stars, especially yellow stars in the sky or somewhere or somehow there will be yellow stars that you will be seeing. Uh, some of you might be seeing snakes. Some of you might be seeing candles, lot of candles or lamps, uh, which are specially lit in the dark. So that those are the signs that you will be seeing before. Also birds, huge birds which you rarely see in your area. You could see them on the social media, you could see them in books, magazines, or in reality. But you will be seeing candles, lamps, yellow stars, and huge birds which you rarely see. For very little people, you might see even snakes. So this will be the sign, what you will be seeing. What more? Okay, and this will be happening when you will be least interested in your wish. Like you will be giving up your hope that your wish will ever come true, and you might be in a hopeless situation, or you might be not paying attention at, at that time. You will not be paying attention towards your wish, or uh, not very eager to find out when it is going to happen, and then exactly it'll happen. And before that, you'll see a lot of stars in the sky. um, yeah, and you will achieve something before this wish happens. Something small victory or some small achievement will be there before you uh, achieve your big wish. And also, you will get a piece of guidance. It might come through your own intuition. It might come through some teacher or mentor, or it might come to you as a spiritual message. But there will be some awakening or some small message coming towards you. So these will be a sign. And one last guidance card for you. So stay very alert, stay very positive, and also be very alert and paying attention to what you will see. Yellow stars are very, very important here. So pay attention to all these signs, and hope your wish manifests soon. I'll see you next time. Bye.